And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. So let's get into the risk disclaimer, which is right here. I do have to go to my day job today, so I'm going to go kind of fast since I did the last one late last night. See, first, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Where do I go after that? Oh yeah, the high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. And we're here to try to not do any of those things, so let's go ahead and get into this as such. First, let's go into the DXY. Go down to here. There we go. Okay, and here's the dollar index. It is continuing to come down a little bit. Kind of broke support right there. So it's probably headed down to this area down here, possibly a hold right there. A lot of strong resistance right there for some reason. I don't have a line drawn there, but yeah, looks like it. Looks like a good place. That's where all these candles stopped. And we had a doji form right there, so we could be retracing all that, and we're about to go back up again. That would be very interesting. So we're got a let's see what the currency currency strength meter says. It's right here, and it's right here. Currency strength meter. Okay, so the currency strength meter is says the JPY is the number one currency in the world right now, and it's the strongest currency in the world right now, and the dollar and the Canadian looks like they're tied for the bottom. How about that? So we're going to be seeing a lot of not buying the USD JPY right now. The dollar index is down, as it just showed, down to about 99.23, we'll call it. I think that's current. Good enough. And we'll see if that flips off of there. Yeah, my money says it is. But again, that's called gambling if you try to predict the future, so we're not going to do that. We're going to trade what we see. The euro is, again, kind of climbing up to this support area right there. Again, too close to the support area to get into it. Not trading that. Dollar versus the yen. Definitely not on the bullish side on that one. Broke the 4-hour resistance bar again, so that will turn into resistance instead of support. Looking at it to probably bounce off this area right here at 155. Probably test 155 and then break out in the other direction in the next day or two, depending on the event risk, aka news, that'll come out, or other events like war. Pound versus the dollar. Not enough movement of any kind to kind of get into that. If I did trade that, it'd probably be on the 15-minute time frame, and watch for a mean reversion type style trading. Again, I'm not going to do that right now because I have a day job and I've got places to go. Ooh, look at that. The pound versus the yen. Here's the close on Monday. On the close on Friday, and here it is all the way down here. How about that? So it took a nice little tumble there and broke support there. Could go down further. The pound versus the yen has got the greater exposure going on to risk. Dollar versus the Canadian, just kind of laying around right there. Not really going anywhere at all so far this week. Canadian versus the yen. Again, coming down pretty quickly against the yen, just like all the others. Since the yen is the stronger of it all, there's probably some rate increase talk going on in Japan right now, as there probably should be from a fiscal perspective. And here we are. We have the Aussie versus the yen coming up to this support level. We'll see if it a nice little doji forming, so it might be time to get underneath that and see if I can catch 100 pips on that. Here's the golden child of gold. This is one that I'm considering coming into about 42.69. Where's my top on that? High so far is 42.62, and we'll see if that continues. It's prime for a breakout. Also have a break of structure set up here for a bullish break of structure setting up for in the what do you call it? Smart money concepts way of doing things. And silver is just being silver. It's taken off. Resumptive to upside has already been broken. We are well above any resistance areas, and we are at an all-time high pretty much right now at 57.56 an ounce. That's pretty strong for one day. Came off 56.49. That's a really strong start on the day, and it's kind of letting us know what's going to happen with gold. How am I doing on all this? We're right here. Trading dashboard. I am positive. Look at that. I'm up 240. Number one thing I'm trading is gold, so let's get back into that, and we'll go ahead and place this right here. Buy stop. Set it for $10 because I do not trust this. 58. Risks 300. I can risk more than that. 48. Yeah, that's good. And that's also on the other side of the psychological level of 50. Take profit. I'm not going to put a take profit in there. That binds us, and there we go. So we have one gold trade in so far. I did not get into the December trading cup. I don't think they have one. I'll check later, but I don't think I have one. But at any rate, I've got to concentrate on this right now to get this going. I've got 0 Forex trades in right now and one gold trade. And we'll see if that that goes to the proverbial moon. But that's all I got for today. If you like this video, then by all means click the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and you'll get notified of when I put new videos out, which is right now daily. And lastly, if the what is it? Oh yeah, if you have any comments, by all means comment, and we'll see what we think about that. Well, then I'll comment as soon as I can. This almost looks like a weird cup and handle. Oh well. But other than that, that's all I got for today. You guys have a great one. Bye.